perhaps it is going to work. Just didn't work earlier. Okay. Oh, perhaps I can do like this. I put a piece of wood over there so that it will actually possibly ignite the acid here. Possibly ignite the fat. Cheese-like substance, which in my case is Violife, and it's from coconut oil, I think. Distinctly remember. Yes, here we go. Okay, so how do we do this then? Put some bacon here. What then? Well, even though a smash isn't here, must have some mustard on it, right? And then we can place some. Oh, that's a bit. Okay, it's fine. Well, yeah. And the cheese. Oh, I forgot the cheese. Perhaps I should have put the cheese on the bread whilst on the pan. We can do that still on the second one. I gotta say, guys, the crispiness of the bacon. Next one we'll have the cheese on top of the bread. We're gonna fry the bread a bit, just so that the cheese melts a bit. And yeah. Hey Teppos, oh you bought this? Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it? Oh, the shipping is more. Oh yeah, you need to buy more than. Perhaps you could get your local store to, or local big box store, or like a supermarket to store get that mustard. Dang. Just damn, people. I paid $10 shipping for a $6 tube of mustard. But $10 doesn't seem that steep, right? $10 from the importer. Oh. Mustard middleman. Wow. I'm not gonna bring any of this firewood with me back home. I'm just gonna burn it all. Perhaps the birch bark. That's the only thing that I'm gonna bring back. And this cardboard bag. Let's keep it relatively clean. Now I still have the second half of the bread. I'm gonna warm up. Perhaps I should warm up everything. Yeah, the bacon has probably cooled down too much, so we're gonna put a cheese there. Why your life? Dairy, free from dairy, soya, nuts, gluten, preservatives, lactose. There's no dairy in that. No lactose either. You see, you can have a lactose. I mean, you can be lactose free, but it could still have dairy in it. That's something that many people don't understand. Because there's lactose free dairy. Okay. Ooh, look at that fire. Oh, it's so nice to have a fire, like a real, honest to God, live fire, and it's on a rock pile. Nevertheless, it's not like some sort of you know. Even though if you don't have any other sort of types of places, then it's fine. But you know, that one place that I sometimes go to, unfortunately it has only like a concrete circle as a fire pit. But if it's raining and I want to go out there, then it's probably the only place here in the vicinity. But this is so much nicer. The cheese does melt. It does. Do we want it like completely molten? Possibly not. How do we do this then? Let's do a switcheroo here. I'm gonna put these on the side so I can pour them on the pan. Yep, that's warming up nicely. We're gonna put them all on the pan, even the zucchinis, just to warm up them a bit. There we go. Seems like the cheese has melted a little bit, because you can see it's like see-through at the moment, transparent. That'd be enough. Oh yeah. Come on, come on. No. Sticking to the pan. Okay. Where's my mustard? Did you have lactose-free ripened cheese? Hey, thanks for the follow, Sage. I watch E-Rob. Kalkomuffin. Ah. Hey, travel buddy. No, travel buddy. Close your eyes. You're not going to like this anyways. So you wouldn't like this. Yeah, it's really bad. Yeah, tastes awful. I'm doing fine, thank you. First day off in 3 weeks, so first day off in 3 weeks, and we have fire. We are out here. It's a foggy day. Fine. We have some food, which travel buddy probably hates. I mean, who would like bacon? Yeah. Who would like bacon, you know? It's just no snow. Yeah, imagine that. Marmot avocado got like 15 centimeters of snow in New York City, and there's no sign of snow here. No, travel buddy, you wouldn't like this. There's only bread, some cheese, then there's some fried zucchini, and some bacon, and to top of it all, some Dijon mustard. No, it's just no. Yeah, Helgamafin, it's definitely gonna be like that. There's not gonna be snow. I hate it too. I definitely hate it because I'm yearning to see some to be in the snow and wade in the snow and you know, it's so much lighter out there when there's snow. Yeah, that one year there was like 60 centimeters of snow here in the south, which is crazy. But on we go. Travel buddy is awful. You wouldn't like it.